the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go.
Hello. Sir. Thank you.
Sir, 10 seconds, sir.
Seconds? Pwede 1 week? Amo siyang emperador. Hey Palabog Nation! It's me again, Auntie Palabog, yung pobreng lagan, and welcome back to my channel. Guess what? For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Golden Sands, Daan Bantayan, Cebu. So I'm so excited na ipakita sa inyo guys kung ano yung pwede mong gawin o ninyong gawin dito sa Golden Sands. Magkano ba yung kanilang entrance fee, ano yung mga pagkain, ano yung mga pwede mong gawin, mga activities dito. Ang kanilang day use package guys is for only 950. So meron tayong consumable na 400 pesos para sa ating food. So yeah, I think this is a very exciting vlog. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go!
I love the way you kiss the way you rock. I love the way where breath is where the wild. I love the way you call me little child. And I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the skies, I can't get much more higher. You love the dream we have since we're the wild. And I will never let you go.
So, ang Golden Sands guys is composed of long beachfront. Ayan, hanggang doon guys. Hanggang doon. Beachfront pa yun nila. So, beachfront pa yun nila. Tapos dito, meron silang mga cottages. Ayan, meron silang mga cottages na pwede kayong magpahinga. And kung gusto niyo ng mas presko, meron pa rin silang parang table na parang sofa na parang hindi ko alam ano ba to. Para sa akin no, ito yung pinakamagandang part ng Golden Sands. Ito. Tingnan nyo guys, napaka-nice. So, di ba napaka-nice? So, you can take your pictures in here. You can create memorable stories. You can also do TikTok kasi gumawa kayo ng TikTok kanina, napaka-nice. Diba? Tapos yung mga kaibigan mo, paningkamot sila sa kanilang mga pictures. Diba? So guys, if you have a chance to visit Cebu, particularly here in Daan Bantayan, I highly suggest Golden Sands. Kasi maganda yung place, napaka-cozy, at saka well-maintained, napakalinis guys. Tingnan nyo, walang masyadong dumi, or wala talagang dumi. Tsaka meron din silang, hindi ko ba alam kung man-made to or talagang dito na talaga to nung nag-start sila or pinagawa ba nila. Pero silang parang lake. Yan. So meron silang bridge doon, tapos meron silang bridge dito. Ayan, parang ang napakaganda talaga. This is a perfect place for a romantic wedding, beach wedding, also any type of gathering. Sabi nga namin kanina, sana merong Oktoberfest na magaganap dito sa Cebu at saka sana dito nila i-held sa Golden Sands kasi napakaganda talaga siya guys. Super. Ito yung pinakagusto ko na part guys. Napaka-instagrammable. Tapos yung kanilang beach guys, tingnan nyo. Napakaganda. Diba? Only here sa Daan Bantayan. Magandang beach dito. Just to let you know guys, Daan Bantayan is the jump start area going to Malapascua. Malapascua is there. So that island guys, I don't know kung nakikita ninyo. Yan. So that is already Malapascua. We're planning, guys, to go to Malapascua again because parang kulang yung 3 araw sa Malapascua. Malapascua is such a paradise. So if hindi pa kayo nakapunta ng Malapascua, from Cebu City going to Daan Bantayan, it will just take you 3 hours maximum. Maximum na yan pag meron kayong private na sasakyan. It's just 3 hours. So from here going to Malapascua, it will just take you 30 minutes. 30 minutes maximum na yan, guys. Things that you can do in here, by the way, you can enjoy their beachfront. Ngayon, wala pa siya doon naliligo kasi mainit pa. Siguro mamaya maliligo kami. Tapos, you can do kayaking dito sa kanilang ilog. So, actually, maganda rin dito magpalipad ng drone. From here, going there. Maganda magpalipad ng drone. But unfortunately, wala pa tayong drone. So, baka naman sa mga palabis natin dyan, di ba? Sponsor din pag may time. Share your blessings, guys. Joke lang. I'm just kidding. So sooner or later, guys, may experience na rin natin ang ating aerial shot ng sarili nating drone. So soon yan. I'll update you guys kung meron na tayong drone. Para at least maganda yung mga shots natin. Hindi lang mga talking vlogs parate. You can enjoy as well the view of the places that I'm featuring in bird's eye view, diba? Clear na po, kakain na po tayo.
Clear na po ba?
Yeah. Thank you, bossing.
Thank you sa ating sugar daddy.
Pero kami sugar daddy. So, we have inasal, bacolod inasal. We have beef, pancit, and we have chop suey and putsero. Marong one shot of toyo, dapat maubos na yung kuan. Charas. Sige, kakain na tayo kasi gutom na si bossing madam. Ganun. Iba to pag magutom, straight yung book niya. So dapat kumain na tayo. Damihan mo yung kain mo, ma'am. Mag-interview tayo mamaya, ma'am. Da. Hey guys, so we're done eating. Ilang oras yun? Mga 3 oras yun kumain. Napasarap yung chika. So guys, magkakayak na kami. It's actually 3 PM na. So hindi na masyado mainit. So magkakayak kami for like 30 minutes. Kung duha-duha per kayak, 1 hour.
Half hour, sir, per boat man ta. Pwede mo magtag sa sir nga. Available na to, sir. Upat raman, sir, atong kayak.
So we are the Team Bangan. Team Bangan, yes, we're ready. Tayo naman ang Team 1, so we're ready and watch out. We're competitive.
Unfortunately, akala namin pwede kami mag 1 hour. So 30 minutes per boat lang talaga. So nandun yung dalawang grupo. Nahuli kami. So let's go! Bugsay challenge tayo. Sino mahuli doon, manglilibre ng kape sa grupo. Alright? So, yung sa likod yung magbubugsay. So, kami yung mga cheerers sa unahan. Sige, let's go! And 1, 2, 3, go! So tapos na tayong maligo. Change na tayo kasi 5 na. Uwi na kami. The experience was good. And masarap pa sana mag-sunset pero parang gagabihin kami kung magsa-sunset pa kami. Magbibihis na lang ako tapos magpa-final review tayo. So bibigyan kayo ng mga pointers kung ano yung na-enjoy ko dito. Okay? Change muna tayo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, papauwi na rin kami. And the experience was good. Final verdict ko, siguro from 10, let me say nasa 8.
Kasi malapit kaming matumba sa kaya.
Parang kulang yung 8 hours namin na stay sa Golden Sands kasi hindi pa namin na-discover yung other area nila kasi parang masyado kami na-focus doon sa mga pictures. Parang isang area lang yung na-focus namin kanina. So, we wanted to go back here and experience more with what Golden Sands destination can offer us. I think this is the best time to end this vlog, and if you are not yet my subscriber, please do subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button and the bell next to it para ma-update ka sa mga bagong vlogs kagaya nito. So it's me again, Antoy Palaboy, ang pobreng lagan, saying explore because life is too short and be a responsible lagan. Till next time, I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!